What's up, everybody? I got a full video coming tomorrow, but real fast, I just wanted to say that, you know, with the crazy blizzard that's like pounding the Northeast right now, and you guys are dealing with, you know, 800 inches of snow and sub-zero temperatures, and people are losing power, and it's just a big mess up there. We are with you down here, so we feel for you and hope that everything comes out okay. I'm sure it will. At the same time, I'd like to ask that you maybe send some positive vibes down this way as well. It's really toasty today. The sun is like blazing, and people are no doubt getting sunburned and maybe dehydrated if they're not drinking enough. And I've seen some people riding around in their convertibles with the tops down, and I'm sure that their hair is going to be kind of messed up from the wind. So, you know, it kind of goes both ways, and we're dealing with, you know, it's just pretty toasty today. So the grass isn't always greener on the other side, you know. I mean, we have it rough down here as well. All these people, they're out jogging and riding their bikes and walking their dogs and stuff, no doubt are probably sweating, and you know, if they're not careful, they could get sunburn or something. So it's not totally easy down here either. There goes a cruise ship. All right, well, anyway, I got a full video coming tomorrow. Me and my buddy Phil went for a nice long ride yesterday. I'm going to be talking about traveling on the motorcycle and some of the modifications that this bike has. So that will be up tomorrow. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later. See ya.